What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how my impressions on the dbrand grip, this red edition that I'm gonna be putting on. I also have this black one and this solid black with no rub edges, no rough texture like this one. So for the installation, you guys just need to peel this off, place it on there, and then get some heat going. You guys can use a hair dryer or a heat gun, and then just press it around the sides and make sure to get all the areas. I'm not going to be able to record that part, so I'll just show you guys the finished product of how it looks like and how I put it on and stuff like that. And then I'll show you guys how I put the case on it with the skin on it already. So see you guys then. Alright guys, I'm back. Put it on. Came out looking pretty good. Just use a heat gun. Hair dryer. Make sure to get the edges, and it's not even that bad. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to put it with the grip. You grab your dbrand grip over here. Line it up over here so this side is like this way, because the headphone and the thing are right there. We're gonna start off from the bottom, and we're gonna slide it in there. Okay, and then simply just pop it in there, and there you go. Make sure you get the buttons in there. And you see the grip is in there. Overall looks pretty good. In terms of the feel in the hand with the grip and the clickiness of the buttons and the responsiveness, it's not that bad. It does feel kind of weird with the skin on the back, but that's just because it's that texture. So maybe like a different texture would have felt different, but it does not feel that bad. I really like the way like this feels like that. Like holding it like that feels nice. It's got a good grip, and that's what it's called, the grip. And it said that these little things over here will, over the time, get more and more to your style of holding it. So if you hold it like this more, the grips will form around you or something like that. Let's see the silent switch button. Does the switch button work? Oh, there we go. It works. It works, so that's pretty good. But yeah, dbrand switch. Really liking it. These buttons are kind of hard over here to click. They're kind of you kind of gotta click like give it a lot of force. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. You gotta give it a lot of force in order to click it. But other than that, they feel pretty good. It's just that this button over here, the mute switch, does feel kind of weird and rough. I don't know what the heck is up with that thing. Oh, okay, I see. You just kind of, it's not even that much force you have to put into it. Like, just barely hit it. If you guys want to see anything else on the dbrand grip, just let me know down in the comments below. Kind of just bought this a couple months ago when it was still in the GoFundMe phase or something like that. Just wanted to see how it would come out. Does feel like just like a regular bumper that you can buy, and then they just marked it as a grip, and the material they use is like super high tech and stuff like that. But other than that, sort of just like a bumper. But I like how they did include a couple extra wraps. Pretty cool. So I think it was like 35 or 30. I think it was 30 bucks for this when I got it. I think it's like at 50 or 60 now. But overall, I really think you guys should look around before investing so much on this one. Maybe you can find a cheaper alternative that you guys might like, but it looks pretty cool with the red and black. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys got any questions about the dbrand grip, let me know down below. I'll try to answer them. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for subscribing, commenting, and liking the videos. See you guys later. Peace.